Kiran, actually,
Yes, please.
system to system, we have to setting all the settings will be changed.
No, every system will be same only. There is no changes.
Today I have changed I have done from other system.
Okay, system means you need to change some
Yeah.
prerequisite also. Already I told, right? You need change from the
Yeah.
scripting recording options. So that should be you need to come do. Okay. So if you are changing system, you need to installation part you need to do, and same to the you need to do from the all prerequisites. So there is no other settings, only for prerequisite nothing but recording options. It is HTML mode. So what is the in advanced HTML advanced what you need to pick up. So these all things you need to check.
Maybe I missed that.
Yeah.
If you have the time,
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see after this class. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So yesterday we discussed, right? What are the parameter properties?
Sequential, random, unique.
Okay. Each iteration, each occurrence, and once also properties only. Okay. So what is the sequential each iteration?
Starting to ending.
In this user activity, user activity must be hit on one value and will be repeated.
Okay. Yeah. User has to pick the first data point for the every user. Okay.
Yes.
But each iteration, nothing but its values will be updated on every iteration. Okay. So random, nothing but
it will be random.
It is pick the values. It's randomly any one of the value. So random. That is a unique means unique nothing but it's an unused data point. It is a one-to-one mapping. Okay.
Yes.
And occurrence nothing but so it is updated from the every occurrence. So each iteration nothing but it updated from the values every iteration, but occurrence nothing but every iteration. Okay. For example, you done from the username 3 times. Okay. You are selected as a user as a occurrence, each sequential or whatever may be as a occurrence. Then what will happen? First username will be different and second user will be different. Like each occurrence also the values will be updated. That is the occurrence. Once nothing but what? If it is a first iteration time, what value is picking? Same, it will continue from the nth iteration. So everyone clear this? Yes or no? So now we'll see the date and time parameterization. So already we did, right? So just can restore and we'll see again. Okay. So now we need to do for the date and time parameterization. For example, if you done for this date and time parameterization, what will happen? Current date is picking, right? But my requirement will be after 2 days. Otherwise, before 2 days, I want to from the date. So if you done for the date and time parameterization, it is picking only current date. Maybe I want for the future date also is possible. I want from the past date. Example, we are booking the ticket. So everyone is the current date on it is booked ticket? No, right? Future date also we need to book the ticket. So for example, we'll do the parameterization. So just I'm selecting this and replace with parameter and create new parameter and give it as a parameter name expiry date. Okay, expiry date. Param. So go to the this properties belongs to date and time. Okay, and go to the properties, and here we need to select for the format. Like this is the date and month format. You need to select for the same way. You need to select. For this is the you can observe this is the date and month. No, right? It is a month and year format. But we need from the which format? Date and month format. So depends on the our like interest. So like as per our application acceptation, you need to select for the same like as a application. So if it is there here, you can select directly. If it is not there also, we can edit is possible. You can remove this. And now you want from the date, percentage, D, and you want for slash. And after that, you are giving for the month means percentage M. So maybe you want from the year also. Assume maybe again slash and percentage, and you can give for the year. You can observe in the sample current date, it is showing for the 21/09/2023. Okay, you want for the 2023 means in this year place, we need to give for the capital Y. Then it is coming from the 2023. And after that, you want from the maybe like hours, this also same way you can give hours and colon. So if you give there and automatically it's updating there. So means here we can customize as per our convenient, as per our application. Okay, it's clear, right? Yeah, for here you can observe each here also we have the properties, each occurrence and each iteration one's property. So occurrence means like this expire date, how many times will be there in our script? Each occurrence will be the value is updated. But when you select each iteration, only it is changing from the every iteration only. Okay, once nothing but it will not change from the every iteration. It will every iteration will be same. Okay, so we are selecting for the each iteration and close this. And now you can come click on OK, and it is asking for the replace for all. If you can replace, otherwise no. So now date and time parameter is completed. Just will execute. Okay, we'll execute only once. Like run logic, nothing but what is the run logic? It indicates for the number of iterations. Just you can execute. One minute. Yeah, hello. Yeah. So now we are executed. We can observe. So everything is passed. Now we can go to the output window. So we are done from the parameterization date and time. You can observe. So which date is picked? Which date is picked? Current date. But I want from the future date. For example, actually this is the 9th month, already expired this date. But I want to not expire date, it will be, I want to increase. So how to we can do that means you can go to the, like again, parameters, properties, and here expire date. And you can observe here we have the offset will be there. You need to check that. Here you need to give for the how many days you want to future date. Like you want for the 3 days or 1 day you want means you can select that way. So for example, I want from the 2 days. Okay, click on OK and offset. And you want from the time also is possible to the how much time you want to for the future date also we can give. But now I am giving only 2 days for future date. Now you can save this and just execute. and we'll observe the in output window. Okay, so now we can observe here again. Now 2 days, right? We are given for the 2 days. You can see this. Today is what date? Current date plus 2, it is coming. So 21, 22, 23. Got it? 2309 our card expire date. Means we want for the future date, past date also, it is possible to we can give. It's clear, everyone? So again,
Yes.
same way we want for the past date. Past date means current date minus 1, minus 2. So how much date it will come? 19, right? So now we are expecting 19. How it will come means once you can check from the offset and same need to how many days you want to past date, and you need to check from the year period to current date. Then only you will get from the past date. So now you can close this and save this and replay this.
And future date is okay. Past date, what is the real time? Which time we can
Yeah,
use?
see, for example, you are doing for the date of birth. Okay, so date of birth will be everyone is not past date, right? So means depends on the your like requirement, your situation. You need to do for the past and future date. Got it? My point. See, date of birth will be like in 2000 or 2014 or is there. So if you want to go for the future date, past date means we need to give for the this period to current date. See, now you can observe 1909.
Okay.
Yeah, everyone observe this what is how to we are doing for the future date, past date. So when you are select for the offset or without a period, that is the future date. Otherwise, if you select this is coming for the past date. It's clear, everyone?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, see, for example,
sir.
now we can see we'll give for the 365 days. It is a year will be changed or not, we can observe. Now I given for the 365 days is the future date. Now you can come to the here. See 2009. Okay, what happened? 2009 on this came right. Okay, it is some settings is not applicable. 365 days. We are giving for the future date. Okay, can close this. The like year should be changed, right? 2009. Okay, year we don't have, right? So for year we can give from the different way. Sorry, we don't have year, right? If it is year, we can do for that way also. Okay, for example, we'll give for the year and we can observe for the just understanding point of view. Okay, just I given year also.
Capital Y percentage.
Percentage y. Okay, now I given year assume. Just I given assume. Again I given for the 365 days. Now year also it will change or not, we can see. Like current date plus 365 days it is calculated. Okay, that could be fine. Server error. See, now you can observe which year is came. 2024 means exactly 1 year. Got it?
Okay.
So this is the way we need to do for the future and past date. So like if you select only offset, only it is coming from the future date. If you select this and you can click on this and again you can execute. Now what date will expecting? 2023 is the past date. Okay, now we can see the output.
Hello, sir. ये reply status failed.
Yes.
Message
That is
appear.
application issue. Okay, no worry.
Application issue. Okay.
Yes. That is expected error. Okay, no worry. So now we are concentrating for the only parameterization date and time. Now we can observe 2022 scale. Means
Okay.
365 days we went from the past date. Like depends on the your requirement, you need to give for the future and past date. So now again we'll go to the 2 days like future date. Future date means how much date will get 23, right? Yes, right? 23. So you can go here 23. But I don't want from the Saturday and Sundays. So means these 2 days holiday. Then you need to check from the you don't want from the holidays. Like when you are booking ticket or something, when whatever may be situation based on that, only working days you can give. Then what date it will come, right? Actually 21 and 22 is working day, and after that 23 24 are holiday, and 25th it is coming from the now date. You can observe when you are select as a working day only, you can observe. See, now you can observe. So 25 is got, right? You got it, right? See, actually we need to get from the 23, but what I given means some condition working days only. I check from the working days only. So Saturday, Sunday is a holiday. So that is why 22, and after that skip from the 24, 25 and 25th is the date it's picked. Got it? Everyone got it this? Yes, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now same way we can see the past date also. First you can go to the working without working days as a past date. We'll get from the 19, right? See, now first we'll see the see, now you can observe. So 19 is scale. Okay. For example, 19 means what? 2019 will give from the like 1, 2, 3, 4 days will give, and we'll observe here. Now will 4 days. Actually 4 days means it will come from the, you can go to the calendar. 1, 2, 3, 4 means actually 17 it will come. If you not select from the working days, if you select for the working days, then 17 and 16 will be skipped, and 15 it will come. So now first we'll see the 14 days period, and after that we'll see the working days only. I think when you are doing that, web tour, it is a good thing. Okay, compared to this. Okay, so now you can observe what date came 17, because we are not given any condition, working condition, only working day, that condition you are not given. That is why 4 days means 17 came. But now we can give for the working only, then 17, 16 will skip, and it will pick from the 15th. Now we can observe again, go to the parameters. So now how I am doing that, same way you need to also practice yourself multiple times, and you can understand the how we are doing. So everything is a real-time work only I'm giving for training. Okay, it's not a just a course point of view. This is the real time. If you are doing for the real work also, I'm doing same way I'm doing for the as per requirement. See, now can observe 15 is scale. Everyone clear? Date and time parameterization? Yes or no?
Yes, Kiran. Yes, Kiran.
Yes.
Matlab, if I check offset means it will be shows on future date, right?
Yes, when you are select only offset with period to current date, then it is go to the past date. So if you select is the working days only, then you want from the like future date means it is both the future, and past date means past date. I think everyone is clear. Yes, right?
Yes, yes.
So now it is fine. Now, like parameterization concept, everyone is clear up to this? Yes or no?
Okay.
Okay, then so in the like we need to do for the other way also parameterization. Like each one will be done. Now we need to do for the complex
Kiran,
parameter.
if you don't mind,
Yes.
actually, why we do the parameterization in that?
Yeah, yeah, good question. Actually, why we are doing actually what is performance testing? First question.
Okay.
What is first performance testing? Why we are doing? What you are
Actually,
thinking about that?
we need to perform the application or maybe URL, something we need to load generate, right? We need to maintain that load everything like that.
Yes,
That's
yes.
why
We
we are
need to
doing the
put from the
performance.
more load to the application, right? More load means we need to give for the different multiple users you need to give and you need to test. So when you record only, you are seeing only single user. But how you can
Mhm.
keep from the multiple users means using for the parameterization concept.
Okay. Parameter concept in the sense we need to do the test multiple
Yes,
users.
yes, yes,
That's why
yes,
we are using parameterization, right?
yes.
Okay, Kiran. Okay.
Okay, then fine, right? Now we have the one
So
more concept
the
called
Kiran,
yes.
these parameters dates we will assign or developers will assign.
No, that will be coming from the application, right? So that is what is the application it is coming? That is the developer only. After that, what is the format is coming? You need to do for the parameterization. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. Now we need to do for the one more way also parameterization. That is also important thing. We can do for that. Okay, I'm restoring again. Restoring.
In real time, the client will be tell like this multiple user how many multiple user we need to
Yes,
test.
yes. Client will give
They
for the
will
how
tell,
many
right?
users you want to test. That all will be we can
Uh,
client will give based on that you can do for the different kind of test.
But we have to recognize. For example, we need to we do the test in some insurance or banking application. No, we need to recognize the what is going on inside that application. Then we need to do the parameterization and everything, right?
Yes.
Okay, Kiran.
So now we need to do for the one more way also. That is called as a complex parameterization. Complex parameterization nothing but like one username is there and beside only I want from the password and beside only CC customer like credit card number first address that way we need. So complex pair how to we can do means same way can select for that and replace with parameter and create new parameter and give for the parameter name. So same like this only, okay, and give for the param, okay, and this is the property also you need to select if it is a date or what format you can select and go to the properties and after that you need to click for the create table and click on okay and by name you need to select for the what is the our parameter name user name param. You can select this and click on close. So they based on for the your property can select which one is you want. Okay, now I selected that and click on okay and no. Now password. I'm doing for the password. Replace with parameter and create new parameter and give it as a password. Password param. Okay, and this is the file type and go to the properties. Last time what we did, we are click for the create table. Now don't click for the create table. Now we need to like dependency value, like password is depends on the whom username, right? So that is why we need to select for the that dot file username param dot file. What is the first there? That is the our parent as a this one. And after that, you need to click from the add column. And here we are adding for the column name is password param. Click on OK. Now you can observe password param J2W added. And by name also you need to select from the what is the column name. Password is ours. So you can select password param. Clear this, and after that you can select from the property as per your want. Otherwise, like this username password is depends on the whom. This password is depends on the whom. Username, right? For here we have the one more property is there, that is called as the same line as some other parameter. Same line as some other parameter, nothing but. So what is the dependent value will be there? Same line, like if you select for this same line as username param, like username is a J2W, same line what is the value is there, it will pick from that value. First iteration time, second iteration time, second value and second value, third value, fourth value, like it will pick from the like this. Now that is why I selected as a same line as username param, and close this and click on OK, and always no. And after that again we need to do for the remaining also we have, right? You can go to the here, and you are doing for the this credit card also, you can select the same way and click on right button. Means last time we did individually, now we are doing for the complex. Okay, and give it as a CC, nothing but credit card param, and this is the file type only. Go to the properties, don't click for the create table. Now we need to select for the dependent value. What is our dependent parent? Username param, and click on add column and give for the CC, and that is the you are added. And again you need to select for the by name is the CC param, and here the CC also depending from the who username only, right?
Same line as
Username. So you need to select for the username and close this and click on OK. So again now you need to do for the like first name also, same way we need to do for this all. Create parameter and give it as a first name. Okay, first name param, and properties, and don't click for the create table. Now we need to select for the parent, and after that add column, and we are adding for the first name param is a column, and by name you need to select from the first name param, and here this first name also depends on the whom, same line as username, and click on close and click on OK, and no. So like this all values you need to do from the here. Okay, you need to do for the first name, last name, what values will be, all values you can do. After that you want to give for the multiple data, means go to the here and you can give from the here, like first name, last name, what is the values will be there, you can copy paste, or if you want to enter means you can enter here. Okay, now I am not enter anything. Okay, so like this you need to do for the this complex parameterization, and here you can observe comma is there. So this comma is it is a different, like it is in between from the username param. You can go to the edit with notepad, username param comma and comma comma, same way it is coming from the just it is a delimiter. Okay, now if you want for the space means you can select space also. If you want tab means you can select. So anything is fine. So it's clear for complex parameterization, everyone?
yes, Kiran, yes.
So same way you guys need to do for the all things, and after that you need to add. So for here one thing is important. So when you are doing for the complex parameterization or what is the normal parameter individually, whatever may be, we need to provide from the valid data. You need to provide the valid data. Like first is the this is fine, this is valid data because we are able to log in successfully using this. Maybe if we are going for the next Kiran, password is Kiran123, that user is there, not there, that is valid data, no, right? So that is why we can like prepare test data ourselves. So we can prepare the test data 3 ways. One is for the already previous data is there. Someone already worked. Just you can take for that dot file and you can upload from the browser and you can get it. That is the one way. One more way. If it is how the database will be there, go to the database, enter for the query, select star from the some username, password data, something. You can copy that data. You can copy paste from the here. That is the second one. Maybe you don't have existing data, you don't have DB also, don't know data. So ourselves, we need to prepare the test data. So how to you can prepare test data means using for the our application. Like we have the sign up will be there, right? See, for example, we want to create from the Facebook means directly we can get the login. No, right? You need to sign up for the your account. Same way, we need to prepare the data means you need to sign up from the details using for our application. So that concept we can see for the tomorrow. Okay. So test data, that all things. Okay. So now it's fine, right, everyone? Or anyone have any doubt regarding this today class? Hello?
No, no,
Yes, yes,
no, Kiran.
Yeah. So thank you for joining and we'll meet for tomorrow same time. We'll continue our classes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kiran. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you, everyone. Bye.
Hello, Kiran.
Yes,
Hello,
Kiran.
Kiran, can you show the
Yeah, you
settings?
can
Video,
reconnect, Kiran. This call will be disconnect. You can reconnect. We'll see. Okay. Others no need to join. Okay. Thank you.